welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are completing this look, this beautiful Jingle Bells look. We got some naughty, we got some nice, and I want you guys to really learn how to do this video. It's very beginners friendly, it's fun, it's easy, and yeah, so let's get into the video. I don't want to chat too much. Let's go. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do before I get into the video is I'm going to prep my skin, because right now we are looking texture really grainy, like someone took the grain filter and just put it all over me. That's how I feel right now. Right there. But today I want to do something different. You know, usually I don't even show you guys how I do my eyebrows, because usually my eyebrows are already pre-done, or I had my eyebrows on yesterday, the day before. But today I'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows, a fresh brow look. And I want to use a different product. This is the Studio Tattoo Brow Pomade. This is in the shade 382 Black Brown. And I love the brush that comes with it because it's so precise. It's very flat. Here, wipe after you get done using it, or before you use it, and just wipe it. And when I say this thing is flat, like, yes. Okay, so now I'm back and I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. This is the medium one, and I'm just gonna go in with the shade Cinnamon. That's over here. As you can see, I'm running out. I have to go right back to TJ Maxx and give me some more. So I'm back and we have two good eyes. You know, they're not identical sisters because I do have two different shaped eyebrows, but you know, they are sisters and they look good. So we got two great eyebrows, and now it's time to get down to the face Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. You can use this as, I'm using this as a eye primer on my brows. This is in the shade F1. The nice eye, the Christmas Jolly Red Eye. I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just gonna use this. Be going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by VH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna be going in with this red and pink, and I'm just going to be taking these, and it's like red and it's pink. Two palette by Juvia, and I'm just going to use the shade Jamada. I think that's how you pronounce it. Excuse me if I'm wrong. And I'm gonna take some makeup remover, and I'm just gonna add this on concealer, and I'm going in with the shade C12, and I'm just going to add some of this to my crease because this is very, very light. And I'm just going to add some Jamada at the bottom. I'm going to go in with this shade, and then I'm going to go in with this Ruby Kiss. For this side, so this green shade over here and my BH Cosmetics palette, taking it back to Brazil. Palette, and I'm gonna go in with this light green and go in with this and blend everything out with this green. So this is the look. We got naughty, we got nice, yes, period. So now, okay, so now I'm just about to go in with some glitter because I'm feeling festive. I'm using Lash Paradise mascara. Okay, so it's coming out very, very great. So now it's time for foundation. You know, I'm going back in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And my foundation is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. And let me tell you guys, I love this foundation so much. Like, it's hydrated, it gets in all the right places. It makes my skin look super flawless. I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline concealer. This is in the shade Cafe. This is 30. This is my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the one I cut my crease with. This is in the shade C12, and I'm just going to be highlighting my under eyes with this one. And I don't go heavy because this is full coverage. Now I'm looking real ghosty boasty, but trust me. Trust the process. Take this brush right here and just set my face. And now I'm just going to take this brush that I bought from Amazon, and I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Coin Collection bronzer. This is in Ebony, and I'm about to just start applying this everywhere, like going ham. Okay, so pause. I had to start all over and go back in and do everything all over again because I freaking messed up and used a darker powder under my eyes because I had to fix an eyeliner situation. So if you don't see me doing the bottom eyeliner, sorry. I had to redo everything. It was editing, but I hope you guys enjoy this. Pink lip gloss from Milani. This is in the shade Sparkling Pink, and it's super pretty, like very pretty. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.